You guys may recognize this truck, you may not. This truck used to be mine back in the day. And then what? I sold it to Kurt, right?
Yep.
And then he sold it to you,
yep.
And you did all the hard work for me.
Yep.
Welcome back, the old Two Stroker YouTube channel. My name's Wayne, that's Darian. We're riding around in this Prius, and that can only mean one thing: shenanigans. Oh yeah, 6 miles still empty. Don't worry about that little guy. Not shabby. You guys may recognize this truck, you may not. This truck used to be mine back in the day. And then what? I sold it to Kurt, right?
Yep.
And then he sold it to you,
yep.
And you did all the hard work for me.
Yep.
Welcome back to the fleet, old girl. Color's more of a red. I thought it was more purpley. Scott, do you have the original lock ring wheels that were on it? Or did you get rid of them?
No, Kurt's got them.
Of course he does. Remind me to slap him.
These, I changed the hubs on these anyway. These are only for hub pilot.
Oh, so it's all converted to a pilot? No shit.
Big deal on the front.
Oh, wow. And you can actually do hub pilot with no front brakes?
Yeah.
I didn't even realize you could do that.
Yeah.
It'd be wacky for all that stuff, because I was thinking about my R model.
Should we fire it up?
Yeah. Wayne, does it smell as
I
good
don't know
inside
if
as
you
the
want
other
to do any still video, but you don't have to. But there's a couple little idiosyncrasies. This friggin' cab lock, somebody went at it with a torch and they took out a piece.
Typical.
So there's no way for it to catch. So what I've got here is this bolt.
Yeah.
That'll hold it. And there's a flap on this side that's spring loaded. And you just pull the flap up and then you can pull the bolt out to the front.
Okay.
This'll run that.
And it'll run the other one. So I'll just get another one of those mounts. That's what I'll do.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's my specialty. Just replace it.
Yep.
Jeez, that's still got its original fuel filter on it.
Yeah. I just
Well, these are specific to a V12. That's not an 892 filter can. That's for a V12. This, like, remember, I told you this was originally a 12 truck.
Yeah.
And it's got some of the 12 stuff left on it, which is good to see. I didn't even realize that, dude. It's been a long time since I've seen this thing.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I changed the filter, of course. But
Yeah.
What you got for training it?
What were you saying about the tank? I'm sorry.
it's about a third full.
Oh, perfect. Free fuel. That's my favorite. Does the cab jack work?
Oh yeah, you can jack the cab.
Cool.
The lines don't look the greatest, but
I got stuff for that. That'll probably be the first thing I do is go through all the hydraulic on the cab and just cheap insurance.
The other thing is I
Oh,
got a master
sick.
switch right there.
Perfect.
It's there because I mounted that before I had all this on. So that's why it's kind of in the way.
That's fine.
But, it works.
I know a guy. Is this one hooked up or no?
No, there's no crossover line.
Even better.
No.
Sniff it?
Smell like the other one?
No, it smells good. Well, I mean, the other one smells good too,
does smell
but
good.
it smells good in an
Different
old
smell.
way. Yeah.
Different
Yeah.
smell.
The only other thing is the seat, the diaphragm and the seat's going. So as you're driving, that seat's going to drop on you. Where you want to ride.
It's not here for that.
Yeah.
What a treat.
What year is this one? 72. Jakes or no Jakes? Jakes.
Yeah, that's right, because this had the spacer plate. It doesn't have the tall covers like I'm used to. I'm also super used to my other one with the heavy-duty grab bar package, so it has the other bar
On top.
here.
Yep.
So I always go for that. Now I'm all trying to get out of this.
Now you're gonna fall out of it. You know?
It sounds wonderful. That thing fired right up, dude.
Yeah.
Goes straight through the muffler, see? I mean, it's
Perfect.
straight through the, it just cuts down the crack a little bit.
That's the way the good Lord intended it to be. Hey, you did some friggin' work, man. I remember putting that there.
The tape?
Yeah.
That's some good tape, dude.
I know.
Yeah, like-
Well, how do you change this? You know what I'm saying? Like, how do you change this little rubber boot? What are you gonna take the fucking...
Take the thing
like,
off up there? Yeah. Like,
it's not here for that, bro. Dash lines. Yeah. I've never had one with one in it. I remember us talking about it because that's where I was going to make one for mine. And then mine has that air ride seat, so there's no
yeah.
holder. There's not nowhere to mount it.
I enjoy the color of the interior. The green?
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's why I
love
chose
the
the
green.
maroon. I thought it'd go good.
It
with
does.
the
It
green.
looks good. What a unit, man.
Dude. Dang old D trucks just want to run forever.
Sure.
I love them.
Wayne, give me some lights again. Oh, look at that thing all lit up.
Does she look good?
Yeah. It does look good. That's cute.
I'm gonna be playing that the whole way home.
Hey, Wayne,
guess
does it got the cool sounding brakes? No. You know the one I'm talking about. Yeah, that Benix QR1, give you that.
Yeah. The OG shit.
Yep.
This is new tires all the way around. They probably ain't got 300 miles on them.
They still got the tits on them, dude.
Yeah.
What's this on? Pete Low Air Leaf?
Just regular air.
Regular air leaf?
Yeah, regular air leaf. Yeah. Oh, this
is all
truck was actually ordered with the air leaf that's on it. You could tell this is an old air leaf because it doesn't have the crossbar. There's no crossbar. They updated them in 77, 76.
Man, these mud flaps are cool. Where'd they come from?
Well, I know a guy.
Huh, no shit. Yeah.
In stock. Go to stroker.com. Get yours now.
Dude, I'm telling you, that little rev up shot where the sky was like pink and blue behind it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it looked sweet.
Sick.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hook it to the reefer, dude. It's gonna look sick.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna park it right there, dude.
Yeah.
We're gonna drive it in, back it right in. Have you latched it to anything?
Nope.
Kurt was the only one, I think.
Yep.
He hooked it to his reefer.
Yep.
I'm really pumped at the way that rev too. It was like clean. Wasn't like it was just black. Like it wasn't blue or nothing.
You know what year the motor is, Wayne?
No.
Or what it came out of?
No. I have to look at the serial when we get the cab up. I'll look at the engine serial number and look at that. I'm thinking she might get a 12-foot back in it.
Where are you gonna find one of those?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe a buddy close to me has one. I don't know. Maybe we'll get lucky.
That'd be neat.
Dude, the thing is awesome. I'm freaking pumped.
I think you should be pumped.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Lock those up. Flat spotted the out, probably. Boys, I know it's dark and the video sucks, and I'm sorry for that, but this thing is awesome. I love it. We're gonna try to get our wheels back from Kurt, and I'm gonna put the bias plies back on the front. Oh shit, I can't because he changed the hubs. Maybe he's got them. I'll have to ask him. It's gotta have the bias plies back on the front. And I'll tell you what, the 92 runs amazing. It runs so good. Dude, did it sound cool?
Oh yeah, sounds sweet.
Bro, rev it up. I didn't even get to hear it. It sounds pretty cool.
It sounds good, yeah.
It's way too quiet.
It's way too quiet.
Way too quiet.
I got some videos behind you.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm thrilled with it. It drives amazing, bro.
Yes, you got brand new rubber all over.
I know, dude. And it's like nice rubber.
Yeah, it's not Chinese rubber.
No, it's like the nicest rubber I'll ever have.
I think it's Generals or Hankooks on the front, BFGs on the back. Bridgestones or something, ain't Chinese.
Dude, it only run like 160 degrees the whole time. 155.
Yeah.
Didn't move.
All the lights work.
Yeah, except oh, there we go.
You got good oil pressure?
All lights work. It's got oil pressure. It's an old Detroit, this.
Yeah. No, the light.
The fog lights work though. Oh yeah, dude, that's some old Perlux. So it's got like 12 pounds of oil pressure at idle.
That's fine.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. And it was running like 1,000 RPM. It was holding 50 pounds the whole way home. Like for a well-worn in Detroit, oil temperature 150. The only thing I'm mad on is the battery or the alternator. I don't know if it's charging. It's only showing 12 volts.
You said you had to rev it up a couple times to get her to charge.
I did. Well, the gauge goes all the way down when it's not charging. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if maybe it's got a bad winding or something. I have to look at it.
I don't know. I mean, your lights ain't dim.
Yeah, I was wondering that too. They're not dim at all.
They're pretty bright. I mean, the gauge could just be wrong. It is 50
So I was gonna say it's
old.
200 years old in.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm like not mad at this.
No, this thing's sweet.
The fan works.
Just got that cool fluorescent light or no?
What's that mean? No.
No?
No. In the sleeper?
Yeah.
No. I've never seen another truck with those.
Yeah.
That's like, it's got a dome light that you can't turn on. Oh, there it is.
Oh, that works.
It's aftermarket.
Looks like a bathroom light.
Yeah, it is. It's like a trailer light or something. It's cool. It works though. Radio, bro. That doesn't work.
Dude, it's got to be charging. Look, the lights are bright.
Yeah, do they get brighter when I rev it? They don't seem to.
What?
They don't get brighter or anything when I rev it. Did all the blinkers and shit work?
Yeah, the little ones on the bottom blink too.
No.
Yeah.
That's cool. Dude, I'm like pumped.
Are you tickled pink?
I'm pumped, dude. Yeah, can't wait to see it in the daytime. Look at this thing, huh? The paint's atrocious, but I'll tell you what, for being outside, when he painted this, he was outside. He didn't do a terrible job. It just needs to be cut and buffed, I think, is a lot of what it needs. I mean, there's some imperfections, but the color's really just not for me. So I got home. I did smell coolant quite a bit on the way home, but it never got hot. And you can see there's coolant everywhere, and I figured it out. It's coming right out of the cap. See that? But it's not the cap. The housing is busted all to shit and has been like soldered back together instead of just buying one. So we're just gonna buy one and replace it and it'll be smooth again. Pretty sure that's what it is. Seems awfully like too big of a coincidence to me. Yeah, see, it doesn't even stay on there right. We'll have to mess with that. But anyway, let's see what a cold start's like. Interior is so nice. He did such a good job cleaning this up. This did not look like this when I sold it. All right, let's see how she does. Held some air pressure overnight. I ain't mad at that. Ain't mad at that. Old gauges are slow. All the Earl pussies. How's that for a cold start? It's way too quiet. Way too quiet. It runs great, dude. Oh, look at that. It is charging. Oh, shit. I friggin' love it. It's nice in here, fellas. Look at the fan. So cool. I am excited. Yeah, it builds air pretty quick. Cool truck. We'll go over some of the stuff that it needs externally here, because there's quite a few things we got to address. All right, fellas. That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for coming with me on this ride to drag this thing home. I'm super glad we got the chance to buy it. Thanks again to Scott for selling it back to me and for doing such a great job with it. I'm super excited to have it here. Can't wait to dig into it and see what we can make of it. Stay tuned. Next episode on this thing, we're going to dig into some of the little things that it needs, and we'll start addressing those one at a time. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. There's some new stuff with this truck that I don't have with any of my other stuff. We'll do a video about what makes this thing so special. It's a very rare truck. We'll get into that. I got the build sheet for it. I've had the build sheet for it for years. As I mentioned, I did own this once before, so I'll give you that full story in an upcoming video. So thanks for watching. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you to the patrons. You guys are my heroes. Pop on over to old2stroker.com. You know, we got a bunch of cool merch, and we're having a sale. So grab yourself a Fat Cab hoodie or t-shirt, put it in your cart, and then use code FATCAB, and you'll get 5% off your entire order. I don't care what else you buy. I'll still give you 5% off the whole order if you have one of those two things in your cart and you use the code. Doesn't get better than that, right? Appreciate y'all's support. We'll see you in the next one.